Hello everyone. Welcome to Quick Grammar Fix. Today we will learn two useful action words, push and pull. Look at these children. They're playing outside. Sometimes they push. Sometimes they pull. Push means to move something away from you. For example, when you help a friend on a swing, you push the swing forward. You can also push a stroller gently. Pull means to move something toward you. When you hold a rope and bring it closer to your body, you pull it. Some pulls are strong. For example, pulling a bow back needs a strong pull. When you walk a dog, you may need to pull gently if the dog runs too fast. Let's review. Push means move something away from you. Pull means move something toward you. You can push or pull strongly, or you can push or pull gently. Now practice with me. Say push. Say pull. Great job! Follow Quick Grammar Fix for more simple English lessons.